Hi, my name is Florian from Quality Guru, where I answer your questions and share knowledge about quality management. Today we'll talk about the role of the quality test engineer, a role which many companies have in their laboratories. The test engineer is a very important function, especially in manufacturing companies, because manufacturing companies, they are producing products and shipping them to other companies or other final end user customer. And in order to ensure that the product what we are shipping out is meeting the quality requirements, some testing might be necessary. So what could we test? You can test all kind of stuff. For example, you can run a product for a very long time, let's say hundreds of hours under very specific conditions, very cold, very hot. You could shake it, you could break it, you could put it on fire. There are so many ways to test specific characteristics of a product that we need a specialist who knows all this. And this is the test engineer. The test engineer in the jungle of specifications and different tests and requirements, they know clearly what test to run for which kind of characteristic on which kind of equipment, for what amount of time, and so on. So they can consult other departments like the engineering department, like the development department, like the quality department, what test to run for which specific purpose. So they are an internal expert. But at the same time, many companies also have laboratories where they continuously run testing. In this case, could be that the test engineer is also responsible to run the test plan. That means go in certain intervals periodically to the production line and take the samples, bring them to the laboratory and test them, issue the test report and come to a conclusion, a judgment, if the parts are good or if they are bad. If the parts are good, everything is fine. If the parts are bad, then they need to start together with the team the problem solving. That means we want to fix this issue as soon as possible because we have a risk now with our product and we need to understand what it is. What it is, we need to fix the root cause, but we also need to see, is it a bigger risk? Do we need to take actions? Maybe we call our product back because there might be a risk for our customer. All these kind of things we have to figure out. So the test engineer will raise the hand, tell the information to the departments, to the quality departments, so that actions can be coordinated. Yeah, and at the end, they are also in some companies also responsible to certify and ensure that all the equipment is properly calibrated and good for use. Equipment here I mean test equipment, not production equipment, but test equipment, measurement equipment, which needs to be used in order to inspect the quality level of the product. All those are possible roles and responsibilities of a test engineer. Let me know if you have experience in your company with this role. How do you play it in your company? What are the responsibilities? Let me know in the comments and I see you in the next video.